Are you tired of constantly fixing your hair throughout the day? Do you struggle to find the perfect hair accessory that combines style with functionality? Well, look no further. In today's video, we're going to unveil the top 5 pearl bobby pins that will revolutionize your hair game. Say goodbye to slipping pins and hello to effortless elegance. Stick around till the end to discover which pearl bobby pin will become your new go-to favorite. At number 1 position, we have Doris Pearl Bobby Pin. Doris Pearl Bobby Pin is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to add a touch of sophistication to their hairstyle. These bobby pins are crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring both durability and style. Key features. The Doris Pearl Bobby Pins feature exquisite faux pearls that add a timeless elegance to any hairstyle. Each pin is carefully designed to securely hold your hair in place without causing discomfort. Benefits and usage. Not only do these bobby pins elevate your look, but they also offer exceptional functionality. Whether you're attending a formal event or a casual gathering, these pins effortlessly complement any outfit and hair type. Simply slide them into your hair for a chic and polished finish. Usability. The lightweight design of the Doris Pearl Bobby Pins makes them incredibly easy to use. You can create various hairstyles, including updos, braids, and twists with minimal effort. Say goodbye to hair mishaps and hello to flawless locks. Durability. Constructed with durable materials, these bobby pins are built to last. You can rely on them to keep your hair in place throughout the day without worrying about them losing their grip. Invest in the Doris Pearl Bobby Pins for long-lasting style and convenience. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Caravan Pearl Bobby Pin. Elevate your hairstyle with the Caravan Pearl Bobby Pin, a statement accessory that exudes elegance and charm. These bobby pins are designed to add a touch of glamour to any look, whether you're attending a formal event or a casual outing. Key features. The Caravan Pearl Bobby Pins feature lustrous pearls set on a sleek metal base, creating a striking contrast that instantly draws attention. Each pin is meticulously crafted to ensure both style and functionality. Benefits and usage. With the Caravan Pearl Bobby Pins, you can effortlessly elevate your hairstyle in seconds. Simply slide them into your hair to secure loose strands or create intricate updos with ease. These versatile pins offer endless styling possibilities, allowing you to express your creativity. Usability. These bobby pins are designed for maximum usability, making them suitable for all hair types and textures. Whether you have thick, curly hair or fine, straight locks, these pins will hold your hair in place without slipping or causing discomfort. Durability. Crafted with premium materials, the Caravan Pearl Bobby Pins are built to last. You can rely on them to keep your hair in place throughout the day, ensuring a flawless look from morning till night. Invest in these bobby pins for timeless style and unparalleled durability. The number 3 position is held by Scrunchy Stone Bobby Pins. Introducing the Scrunchy Stone Bobby Pins, the perfect accessory to add a touch of sparkle to your hairstyle. These bobby pins are embellished with dazzling stones that catch the light and instantly elevate any look. Key features. The Scrunchy Stone Bobby Pins feature shimmering stones set on a sturdy metal base, creating a glamorous yet understated effect. Each pin is designed to securely hold your hair in place while adding a touch of sparkle to your ensemble. Benefits and usage. With the Scrunchy Stone Bobby Pins, you can effortlessly accessorize your hair for any occasion. Whether you're attending a wedding, a party, or a night out with friends, these pins will add an extra dose of glamour to your look. Simply slide them into your hair for instant elegance. Usability. These bobby pins are incredibly versatile, making them suitable for all hair types and styles. Whether you prefer sleek updos or loose waves, these pins will keep your hair in place without budging. Plus, their lightweight design ensures maximum comfort all day long. Durability. Crafted with high-quality materials, the Scrunchy Stone Bobby Pins are built to last. You can rely on them to hold your hair in place throughout the day, ensuring a flawless look from morning till night. Invest in these bobby pins for long-lasting style and sophistication. Next, at number 4, we have Evita Peroni Bobby Pin. Make a statement with the Evita Peroni Bobby Pin, a chic accessory that adds a touch of glamour to any hairstyle. These bobby pins are designed to complement a wide range of looks, from casual to formal, making them a versatile addition to your hair accessory collection. Key features. The Evita Peroni bobby pins feature a sleek design with a hint of sparkle, making them the perfect finishing touch for any hairstyle. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or an intricate updo, these pins will add a touch of sophistication to your look. Benefits and usage. With the Evita Peroni bobby pins, you can effortlessly elevate your hairstyle in seconds. Simply slide them into your hair to secure loose strands or create intricate designs with ease. These pins offer endless styling possibilities, allowing you to express your unique sense of style. Usability. These bobby pins are designed for maximum usability, making them suitable for all hair types and textures. Whether you have thick, curly hair or fine, straight locks, these pins will hold your hair in place without slipping or causing discomfort. Durability. Crafted with premium materials, the Evita Peroni bobby pins are built to last. You can rely on them to keep your hair in place throughout the day, ensuring a flawless look from morning till night. Invest in these bobby pins for timeless style and unparalleled durability. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by chopping bobby pins. Add a touch of elegance to your everyday look with the chopping bobby pins, a versatile accessory that enhances any hairstyle. Whether you're running errands or attending a special event, these bobby pins are the perfect finishing touch to elevate your ensemble. Key features. The chopping bobby pins feature a classic design with a modern twist, making them suitable for any occasion. Each pin is adorned with shimmering pearls that add a touch of sophistication to your hairstyle, while the sturdy metal base ensures secure hold. Benefits and usage. With the chopping bobby pins, you can easily create effortless hairstyles that exude elegance. Whether you're rocking a messy bun or a sleek ponytail, these pins will keep your hair in place all day long. Simply slide them into your hair for instant glamour. Usability. These bobby pins are designed for maximum usability, making them suitable for all hair types and textures. Whether you have thick, curly hair or fine, straight locks, these pins will hold your hair in place without slipping or causing discomfort. Durability. Crafted with premium materials, the chopping bobby pins are built to last. You can rely on them to keep your hair in place throughout the day, ensuring a flawless look from morning till night. Invest in these bobby pins for long-lasting style and versatility. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 pearl bobby pins that will transform your hairstyle game. Whether you're looking for elegance, sophistication, or a touch of glamour, these bobby pins have got you covered. Say goodbye to hair mishaps and hello to effortless style with these must-have accessories. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which pearl bobby pin is your favorite, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy styling!